Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my Benzinga family. Good to be back as the bell rings. Nice. All right, we got a couple of things on our radar this morning. We are watching Sava. We are watching SQ had earnings. Got a big bop in SQ after the conference call. Some people in the room grabbed this out of this breakout right around 239.70, and their day is over. Nice $8, $9, $10 trade. Very nice. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Did the bell ring, guys and gals? Jeez Louise. We're in a big spike up, spike down. Big spike up, spike down. AMD, we want it to go up from here. JMIA. We're looking at AMD for a short, guys. A little stretched out on the daily chart. Facebook, spike up, spike down. Wow, look at SQ, guys. Almost did it hit it? 250.206 went straight down $2 off that pivot point. Wow, wow, wow. I wouldn't do it second time up, but wackadoodle. What is ANVS doing? Spiking down. Oh, we know ANVS at that 33.50 level. We want to be involved, right? Let's put a little marker out. That's the weekly level. Will be a far from moving average trade down there too. How was everybody's week last week, guys and girls? We had our boot camp, which was very successful. A lot of learning. I think we made a couple of bucks. Net. Sava. Very enlightening week. Yes, it was. Yeah, I mean, Sava's 74 if you want to try anything, but I would have a very tight stop on that. Very tight stop. AMD getting a smacker? Yeah. So I want to tell everybody the reason we were looking to short AMD was because 3 days in a row up, had the ADRSI. So really Friday was the day to short it for a little trade ski. Then we're getting a big spike down. If you short it a little with me up there, cover it for $1. That's fine. I think last time we left you, we were talking about shorting a couple other things that worked very nicely. Gamestop, give me levels, Gamestop. 157.50 Gamestop. Gotta like that, right? 157.50 Gamestop. That is our pivot point. BNTX. BNTX is another one getting into swing territory, right? A little wackadoodle, but it's really only day one now. SQ. Wow. I mean, maybe far from moving. Wow, SQ almost got to 258.60. Let's start a tiny short there. In SQ, 258.60. Very small. We'll start. I guess you should have held on to a little. Oh, my God. Crazy. All right. Don't panic out of that if we get it. We'll add to it a little bit. Sava just spiked up. Wow. Sava spiked up to our 79.50 and went down $2. Holy mackerel. Sick. BTBT. Yeah, nice spike out. Maybe you buy a little of this on a pullback and just hold on to it. BTBT. Isn't that a Bitcoin play? Yeah. Myrna starting a little short at 371. Didn't quite get that. I like that too, Sal. We didn't get there. We didn't get there in SQ. Yeah, Tesla, we liked at 700 for a long time. A long time. Well, we're there now. I think Tesla can hit, 740 maybe. Oh, did we just miss SQ, guys? For a $2 trade? No. It went to 258.58. Guys, we missed that by 2 cents. For a quick $2. Oh, if anybody cheated, take the trade. Oh my God. All right, good. Take the trade. Take the trade. Next spot we got is 268, which we're definitely going to do. So let's have something out there. Obviously, we want to buy some Werner on a pullback here, guys. If we get one. AMD tanking. All right. Well, we shorted a little AMD this morning. What? At 106. So I would cover that at 104. Today was the day, guys and girls. Today was the day. SPRT, I'll look. We are getting long this at 102.80. If it gets there. But take $2 on that little trade. If you got it. All right. Market's coming in. Gamestop I still like. Get rid of this Saba stuff for now. AMD we like. Get rid of OAN. Get rid of AMD. Get rid of Saba. Get rid of AMD. SPRT. Don't like SPRT. I don't see anything to do there. Neo. Yeah, Neo pulled right back to the trend line. That was nice. Our 65 EMA. So Neo's a better buy now than sell. I have SQ out at 268. Yes. I mean, SQ is getting far from moving average up here, right? It's got a 90 RSI in SQ. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Put a marker at 262 in SQ. $262 and $263. Again, these are just little markers. SQ getting a little stretched. AMD will have a 50-cent stop. Going to start looking far from moving average in SQ at 264, guys. Get that? All right, let's look far from moving average in SQ. Go to the 1 minute. If it doesn't go down too far, I'm going to add like 20 shares for a trade. Keep our eyes on it. Nothing yet. Went down $2. So we'll just wait till 268. No red bar yet. So let's wait. Just got the red bar at 265.50. So if you got it, start covering below 264. Got a little at 264. Try to cover the balance at 263, guys. All right. Out of SQ, guys. Out of SQ. We got the far from moving around 265. 265. Very nice. Let's leave 268 out. We'll start again. All right, everybody get that? For a couple of bucks in SQ, far from moving average trade. Myrna. Wow. Myrna spiked all the way down. We'll do the same thing if AMD, if that one gets back up to, yep, I'm going. I got you. Geez, Myrna almost hit that 356 down there. Are you kidding me? Wow. Wow. Is all I have to say. AFRM, we'll take a look. Hood's not doing anything. AMVS had a nice bounce up. Not much of a pullback in SQ, guys. I'll tell you that right now. All right. We can cancel Gamestop, ANVS. AFRM, let's take a look. Oh, I left SQ out at 266. That was stupid. Should have been 268. All right. Start looking far from moving average again in SQ at 268, guys. 268. Again, just do it very small. We're going to look to add to it on the far from moving average trade. I left 266 out before when I was adding to it, so I'm just going to take $1 on that if I get it. All right, got $1 on it. We couldn't get 268, ladies and gentlemen. That would have been spectacular. Yep. All right, let's wait. Obviously, guys and gals, we want to buy some SQ, okay? I mean, the stock is going up. 266 worked out for a nice spot too, right? AMD's kind of hanging around here. The day after Florida recorded the most new daily cases of hospitalization. Yeah, we have a great governor down here in Florida. Give me levels in Dash, guys. Maybe 170.20 Dash. 170.20. I'll show you guys the far from moving average trade in a couple of minutes that we did in SQ. Our average is 266 and change. And we got 264, 263 and change. SNOW. Coming in. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't like Dash. It's a little spready. I mean, today was the day to short this AMD. Good morning, Les. How are you? How are you? Hope everybody had a great weekend. Guys, what else is going on here? Jeez Louise. Baba almost hit our levels on the long side. Baba's a short up at 201, guys, if we go in that direction. AMD almost far from moving average. I don't think so. No, we got our level in AMD, 102.80. That I want to buy. Trend in and will we get to 44.60? Let's check the spread in ON. Conference call is probably over. The spread's not bad. All right, let's go 43.10 in ON. Try to get into a trend trade. I like it. 43.10 ON. Trender. All right, cancel SQ. Probably saw the top in SQ. Sava is strong. All right, I mean, look, Sava's sitting in the middle of everything. So technically, if Sava gets above like 79.70, it could be okay. Because we're sitting in the middle of all this stuff. So, and the next resistance level we have in Sava is 81.50. Oh, look at that, guys. Long AMD at 102.80. What did I just say, guys? If it gets above 79.70 in Sava, it's gone. Jeez Louise. I hope somebody grabs some. It was very quick, though. You got a little, Gus? All right, good. All right, give me levels in Facebook, guys. What do we got? Someone pop through to Facebook and see if we got levels anywhere. 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. I got nothing in Facebook, guys and gals. But I think around 354 Facebook is far from moving average. Let's put a mark. 354 Facebook, guys. Yep. Again, far from moving average. Chakalaka. You has been great to me. Oh, I'm glad to hear it, Chris. Yeah, we try to avoid these stocks like VRXT because sometimes they have their little moment in the morning and then it's just done. So we stay away from these things. I mean, if you're in it, maybe you got to add a little at 760. See what happens. APHI going nuts again? All right, that's another one. You want to do it? Grab it. That's the only thing I can tell you in that. Yeah, Myrna broke these levels. So the next level in Myrna, guys, is 350-180. MRNA. 350-180 in Myrna, guys. 350-180 is the next spot. Come on, Facebook, spike down. Don't bounce. ON was still good. AMD probably bouncing around. Yes, not doing anything. Caterpillar, Q's a week. Cat is a better buy than sell. Cat should be okay because of they're going to pass the stimulus bill this week for that stuff. I added Facebook at 355.50. Where'd you start it? You started it right here. You're in it at 355.50. All right, see if you get a little bounce from here. Thank you, Sydney. SQ, 268.90. All right, 269 could be a good spot in Jeremy in SQ. All right. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is my favorite stock in the world, although we've done okay since the split in NVIDIA. 190, 360 NVIDIA, which is a little close for me, and I love 190, 110. 190, 110 would be really good. AMC has volume. And what's it doing? AMC has earnings coming out soon, right? All right, again, AMC is a better buy than sell. DLPN would have paid the bills at the pivot point. 912 to 950. Yeah, it would have. AMD reversing. Good. I hope it goes up $10 today and we can short it. All right, but cancel the buy. We will short AMD at 106.20, guys. Let's put that out. 106.20. I'm out 6 green days in a row. Good, Jeremy. Leave. Please. Leave. Soxel. Are you in Soxel, Sally? Are you in Soxel? Getting a little stretch Soxel on a daily. All right, what price are you in it? Come on, Facebook, bounce. No bounce yet in Facebook. All right, then go to 354. With the exception of last Friday, I am green for 2 weeks. Good. Good. See, if you're in Facebook, I would be adding a 354. We're going to look for a moving average down there. Yeah, Tesla's a nice trend trade on a pullback. I would rather buy Tesla than be short. Yes. ON is a strong trend. That one's not pulling back. Yeah, well, a lot of people leave, Deuce. You hit your goal, I want you out of here. Although we're going to be, doing some teaching all day, but whatever. My regulars that are in here, I want to leave. People who are just starting with us, hang out. Tesla 694 buy. Let's take a look. Facebook's getting down there, guys. We almost have the 20 RSI and the 20 RSI in Facebook now. So if we get to 354, I'm going to start buying small at 350, 350. Again, we'll go in small, then we'll look for the fast moving average trade, and we'll add 850, 350. I'm going to buy some. Tesla buy at 694. Let's see if that works for us. Tesla, if it holds this trend, 705.40 is the buy. 705.40. Myrna. All right. Let's try a little Myrna at 351. I like it. That would be a fall from moving average trade too. Got to give Myrna at least $1. I like it. Hit your goal and leave. That isn't gambling. I don't get that. No, when you make your daily goal, Buffalo, some people in the room want to make 100 a day, 200 a day, 300 a day, whatever. When you hit your daily goal, I don't want you hanging around here. I want you to leave. Go do something else. That is the opposite of gambling. Do your job and you get out of here. How nice is it to be done with your trading at 9:48 in the morning? Myrna will give it $1.50 if we get down there. But we want it fast. Facebook's getting really stretched out down here, guys. Almost $2 away from the moving average. See if we break 354 in Facebook. There we go. You can come up a little bit. So Facebook, I'm starting to buy at 350, 350. And then we're going to look for off a moving average to add. So don't do anything yet. Come on. Come on. Go down. Almost at the 20 RSI in Facebook. So let's go to the 1 minute. We get a little green bar in Facebook. We'll add to it. I'd like to add to it on the way down. But no green bar yet. Don't do anything. Now, just grab the little Facebook. See what the next move is. So I'm looking for another green bar I'm going to add. We are getting way overdone in Facebook now. Bump, 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 bump. Yeah, it was still small. Wait for the green bar. I like Roblex at this price. Okay. Now we got the RSI in Facebook. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Still hasn't thrown in a green bar yet, though. All right. I just added in Facebook. Going to have a 50-cent stop. Going to start selling some if we get to 350, 340. If we get the bounce. Not much of a bounce yet. At all. So we're going to have a 352.75 stop in Facebook. And then we'll look again. 351.60. All right. Did I see the news on Myrna? No. All right. Got the little green bar on Facebook. Trying it again. We get to 330, 320, start selling a little. 350, 320. All right, got a little at 350, 320. Sell some at 350, 345 if we get there. Oh, long. 350, 345. What's the word on chewy? I mean, this thing should get back to 354, but we'll keep it tight here now. Sold some at 45. One minute chart, we look to get into a far from moving average trade. Sell a little more up here, guys. 50. A little more at 50. All right, we're going to have a 50 stop now. We'll try to get 354. 50 stop now. 50 stop, 50 stop, 50 stop. This way we'll make money on this trade no matter what. 60 stop now. Oh, you're in the boot camp. Great. 70 stop now in Facebook. Take 354 here, guys. Out. Out of Facebook. So here was your 1 minute far from moving average trade. Right around 353. We got 75 cents on it. Average. Myrna? Who got Myrna? Are you guys kidding me? No. No way. Nice job, Myrna, guys. Holy mackerel. So, guys, everybody in the room just got Myrna on the pivot point at 351.70. It was the exact low and went up $4. Oh, my God. Nice job, guys. Beautiful. So, again, and this was almost a far from move, but look at Myrna. Went from 365, guys, to 351.70 and exactly hit our pivot point. And it's up $6. $6. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Dana, I had a total of 200 shares of Facebook. You guys should still be trailing in Facebook. It's okay. Take some more profits up here. So I'll explain to you guys when we slow down a little bit what the far from moving average trade is. But Tesla's very rarely going to have under a 20 RSI. Sometimes you don't get it the first time. But right there at 353. Yeah, 353.40. And it gave a nice dollar. You had 40 shares? Good, Dana. Take your profit. Yeah, Myrna was spectacular. Oh, my God. Everybody out of Myrna? You got $5 on that trade. Well, listen. First of all, you couldn't have sold that until you made like $2. It went up so fast. Good call on Myrna. Perfect. I got $4 on my part of the Sava trade. What happened in Sava? Sava, did you buy it on the 9? I don't trust Sava, but, 77.70 is a level. Oh, nice morning, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I am happy for you guys. Myrna was the home run. Jeez Louise. Well, Facebook wasn't bad either. All right, guys, I would be out of Myrna here. Yes, please, get out. 358.50. Boom. $7. Leaving green for the day. See you tomorrow. Wow. Snap, did you post some Snap, Loki, to buy? Look at that. It got to our pivot point too. Loki, did you post that for the room? So again, everybody, especially those of you who are watching, technical analysis, man. This thing got down to our pivot point at 73.50. It's at $1.50. Snap. Myrna got exactly to our pivot point and went up $7. Myrna could be a short at 360, guys. I don't know if we want to run back in and mess with it, but 360 could be a little short in Myrna. That's up $9. Right? Thank you for Facebook, but difficult to get to. Got to and Myrna went on Facebook. That's all right. That's okay, Happy. It's good. BTT breakout of trend trade holding Bitcoin. Okay, good. AMD going green. Let's look. All right. Question is, do we want to short a little AMD up here, or is it taking too long? I don't even mind starting a swing trade in AMD up here. Again, right? Let's do a little bit at 106.27. Thinking of swinging it, though, so let's see what happens. We'll do some options if it gets higher up here. Miss Myrna again. What, on a short? Wow. Look at Myrna on a short, guys. Again, technical analysis. How high did it get? 359.70. Went down $2.50. Jeez Louise. Unbelievable. I'm just putting out little bits of AMD up here, guys, because I want to do, we'll look to do some options in that if it keeps going up from here. I have to tell everybody, right? Technical analysis, we've been crushing it the last 10 days. Insane. Yes, SQ is a better buy. ISM is out. That's why things are rallying. No, they're not doing anything. AFRM. Yeah, AFRM, beautiful. Now it's set up into a nice uptrend, Tanner. So pull back to 60. 59.50 is a better buy than sell now. Yes. Do I like SoFi? SoFi is one of my long-term holdings, guys. I have a bunch of this in my IRA that I've put away. Our average is about 15.65. We sold some higher at like 17 at one point, but that's a long-term trade for me in SoFi. Again, guys, I don't give financial advice. Everything you see here is for demonstration purposes only, yada, yada, yada. But full transparency, I tell everybody what we're doing. INFI. I do have a live trading account. That's what you're seeing here. This is my Interactive Brokers trading account. Live and in person. She's an easy lover. Tilray action. INFI is another one. If you like that one, no C, you buy it, you put it away. It's not something we're going to day trade. It's a lottery ticket. Yeah, Tilray getting a little action, but everyone got all excited in Tilray last week, right? Couldn't get going at all. GameStop off to the races. Maybe if it gets above this 163.50. Sava spiked up to that 82. Nothing now. Just dead, hanging out. No, it's even higher than Friday's high in Matan. Nice job, Nancy. Nice job. AFRM, good short. No, I don't think AFRM's a good short. Kind of just hanging here. I don't think it's a good short. I think it's a better buy. Neo still holding the bag on Tilray at 17.58. Yeah, everyone got excited on that one, Nate. Neo's a better buy too, guys. I mean, Neo's just a better buy. This thing's just starting to break out on the daily chart. Maybe look at some options in Neo, 48 to 50. I like that. Looks good. Made 350 early, and I would have left if it not have been able to get the 400 I just made on another trade. There you go, Deuce. Good for you. Excellent. I'm just telling you what I tell my people. That's all. That's great. I'm very happy for you. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. People in my room, the time is more important than anything else. And, so they hit their goal, they go, and they hang out with their families or do whatever it is that they want to do. IPO and what one? You? Tesla's got a shot at that 740, Rich. Come on. Come to Papa. I told you guys I would not be shorting Tesla in any way, shape, or form. And when we were on a few weeks ago, we said 700 when it was 600. I think you could see 800 now. It's a nice breakout to the upside. Peloton, who's in Peloton? David Green, I like your show. Excellent. Thank you, Deuce. Appreciate it. Look, we're here. We're fully transparent. Looks like the guy who said we'll send out might have. No, Alex, give me time. Just give me some time. It's recorded. You'll get it. Just noticed my naked put on AMC. Yes, it paid. Of course. Stock's up. AMC has earnings coming out next week. We'll look for some options as it gets closer to the earnings. All right. I want to show you guys ANVS. Okay. I want to show you everybody that is looking to do a swing trade how absolutely spectacular this trade was. ANVS. Watch this. It went from $132, ladies and gentlemen, and exactly hit a weekly level at $33.50. It broke it by 40 cents and is up $6 in one day. That is a swing trade, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, it does not get any better than that. The stock went down 100 points. 100 points. And hit one of our technical levels and didn't go below it by 50 cents. That is sickness. Absolute sickness. XPO, Pfizer. Yeah, is that insane, Catherine? I don't know what XPO is. What they do, a special dividend or something? I want some of those. Me too. BNTX, what do we got? 331. Ooh, that works for us, right? Yeah, let's do it. That's down $7 from here. So everything we do, guys, and what we're going to teach you in our course, if you so choose to buy, is based on our technical analysis. Guys, how many trades we have today for you active traders? I'm just curious. 331.50 we're going to go in BNTX. A little bit above it. I only had 2 trades, and I'm green AF. What's AF? Market's coming in pretty good here. All right, look at the VIXy going. Do you know how to get VIX to show in the Benzinga Pro? My symbol is VXX. So that's how I show it. Yeah, market's coming in pretty good. AMD strong now, for the moment anyway. I don't know. AMC is not a giant move up or down from here. I would say we have bigger fish to fry, but we don't. You're sharing the wonderful message of God. Well, I bought your course, and it's perfect for me during the intraday trades. What time frame can I use to execute? Daily and weekly. This is my world. Is what we're looking at for swing trades. Daily and weekly. I want to sign up for your course and trade with you. Can I still, you mentioned the boot camp. We can join the trading room on a trial basis if we sign up. We'll talk about that stuff later before I go. My room is really kind of full now, guys. The actual live trading room. But people come and go, so we'll talk about it later before we go. And whoever posted about the word of God, he's not going to help you with trading. Just so you know. So let it be written, so let it be done. Oh, that's cool, Joseph. That's excellent. Yeah, Path looks like a better sell, guys. Path does not look like a buy. In any way, shape, or form. It does not. I don't, Tanner, because we have, again, I'm starting a little swing in AMD, guys, so it's not for a day trade. As a matter of fact, I'm not even adding at 106.90. I'm going to add at 107.30. Not for a day trade. Trimming some BTBP. Looks like AFRM is breaking trend. Let's look. AFRM. No, it's not breaking trend. And I didn't even got down to the trend line yet. No. No. Myrna heading to the pivot point again. Yeah, we don't do Myrna. Second time down, guys. No. Good idea to trim a little BTBT up here. Nice job in that. Excellent. You're on the 1 minute. Tesla is a better buy at 714 on the trend, guys. 714 and 711 Tesla. Buy. Yes, ANVS, I'm sick about. Don't keep reminding me to put this up here. I'm sick about it. It's up $7. What am I using for studies? Why can't I sell AMDs? Because I own it already. Yes, Joseph. And if it's going up anyway, why would you want to short it? All right. You don't want to short it. Again, this is a swing trade for us. I'm going to look at some options. I'm not going to have more than a 25 or 30 share position. And I'm going to look at options. Is NVIDIA doing this too? No. Studies, guys. We are using a 15, a 30, and a 65, and a 200 exponential moving average. Those are our moving averages. 15, 30, 65, 200. Pivot points, and our relative strength index. That's what we are using. Yes. AMD is now a trend trade, 100%. Yes. Yes, we're going to look at some options. Let it keep going. I'm not doing anything yet. Any advice for noobs? Joseph, what do you own at 11? AMD? Yeah, I'd probably look to take a little profits at some point in AMD. We might get a far from moving average trade in AMD at some point, right? All right, guys, 108.50 AMD is a day trade. Okay, full size day trade. 108.50. Chaka laka laka. That is our day trade. And then we will start looking for some options. Myrna, 57, 358 short. Myrna, okay. Got it. 358 Myrna. Yes, good order, 108.50 AMD. And we'll look at options. 915, 65, and 200, Steve. That is correct. 9, 15, 65, and 200. SQ is consolidating here probably to go up again, guys. So I would not be shorting SQ. My advice for noobs in the stock market: find a course or something or a mentor that is going to teach you how to trade, or a really good course that you're going to learn how to trade from. We'll talk about our course before we get out of here today. It is great. I mean, it's like $400-something, and it'll teach you everything you need to know about the basics of the stock market through advanced trading techniques. And I mentor you every Thursday night, live and in person. I mentor you every Thursday night. So it comes with that. Live mentorship. SQ. SQ is a better buy, guys. I would not be shorting SQ. It just wants to go higher. AMD is a regular trade at 108.50 with a 50-cent stop. Myrna net sells short. Nobody wants to take it into earnings. Myrna. Are you short, Myrna? I took his SoFar course, and so far I am up every day. I've only lost a few days. He is the real deal. I've taken many courses. His works. Thank you, Steve. PC'd it. I PC'd it. Yeah, it's great. I mean, it walks you all through it. It's 6 hours of content. Plus, we get together on Thursday nights. Forget about Marin. We got everybody out of Marin between 8:50 and 9. I mean, I would not touch Marin ever. I won't say ever again, but I do not like Marin. No. AMD going to stall up here. All right, we'll give it a couple minutes. Let's see what happens. Sava. Well, I would do Sava small if I'm going to do it there. You know how I feel about Sava. We'll try it small. 75.20 Sava. That is our 65 EMA. Spread has actually gotten better in this thing, so not bad. I can't get over that trade on Facebook was Class Dave. I shorted SQ overnight and gained 200% on the opening. I shorted SQ overnight. You mean you bought SQ overnight? If you shorted SQ overnight, you're in big trouble. Peloton. Selling more stock up there. Good. Big Daddy, we already discounted for Benzinga and a couple of other people. It's normally the cost is $500. We give a 10% discount. All right, guys, let's find some more trades. Come on. Yeah, I cancel BNTX. That ain't happening. Still got a shot at AMD if we spike up here. Stop on Sava, 75 cents. Got to give it a little room. I don't think we're getting it anyway, but all right, we want AMD on this pop-up, guys, if it's going to do it for a trade. We're almost getting far from moving average, too, so now or never. It's now or never. Come back to me. Do it. Do it. Do it till you're satisfied. Whatever it is, do it. Do it till you're satisfied. Come on and do it. Where do you go to sign up for the program? We'll talk before we get out of here today. All right, guys, I want AMD on this pop-up. If it doesn't do it on this pop-up, I'm going to relax. But right now, patience is hard sometimes. Patience is what this game is all about. That's it. That's what this game is all about. Patience and discipline. Don't go down, AMD. I'm going to look in a couple of minutes, Trev. We could sell upside calls, or we can buy some puts. We'll look. Oh, come on. No. Don't turn down from here. See, we want something to go really fast. We missed that by 3 cents. I don't even like it anymore. We're going to wait now. I don't like it anymore. I think it can go higher than that. So let's just hang out. Let's see where this goes the rest of the day, guys. I was going to buy yes and place an order. I learned about a crying rain and so mad I didn't get to put it out. I accepted it. I'll be ducking it early for next one. Gotcha. Gotcha. Base trade on SQ. It could be if it gets going from here, yes. See, guys, I just wanted a 50-cent trade in AMD, and we basically would have got it. You know? It just went from 108.50 to 108.10. Going back up now, but I only wanted a little trade out of it. The stock is very strong. We've ate. So we've ate. There's no reason to get involved now. We've ate. What's Saba doing? All right, we'll give Saba another minute or two. I could have caught on the A100 strike for $1.07. Wow, that's nice. Gamestop. All right, Gamestop, guys. 157.50 we still like. Let's do it. Do it in GameStop, 157.50. That is our pivot point. Got you, Alex. I got you. Thank you. Yeah, SQ is just strong like bull. Tesla breaking out again. Yeah, I would not be shorting Tesla. Nope. Bob has earnings tomorrow morning. I think maybe we get one more day out of Tesla. This thing could hit, well, we said 740 earlier, but I think Best case scenario, this thing could get to 770. Let's see what happens. Yeah, they're buying Baba into the earnings. Going for a coffee break. Good. That's fine. Yeah, again, SQ, guys. Do not be looking to short SQ. SQ is not a short in any way, shape, or form. It's just not. Sava, let's look. Kind of wanted it fast. What are we doing? I'll leave it up to you guys. You still like Sava? Talk to me, gooses. It's taking so long. It looks like Kathy Woods is right about Tesla. Yes. Guys keep talking about Kathy Woods. Listen, I want everyone to do good. God bless. You are up $3, and that's good profit. All right, cancel Sava for now. That ain't happening. Not happening. AMC dying. But definitely going to do some AMC options before those earnings come out. Definitely. EIH halted twice on the downside. EIH or EJH? EJH. Oh, wow. That is ugly, guys. E-Home Household Services. What's that? EJH. Yeah, I'm looking at it now. I don't think this thing trades volume. Ever. Oh, guys, do not. This trades 130,000 shares a day on average. Oh, my God. No, thank you. No, thank you. I could go to 0. SQ, you bought the breakout? All right. Yeah, I mean, SQ is showing no signs of slowing down. 0.0. AMD running. All right, good. Let AMD run. Let's see where. I hope it closes at 110 today. Then we'll look. Right? Won't do anything in AMD. Should support and resistance be on close of high or low? Support or resistance can hit at any point when a stock is moving, Joseph. Right? I mean, initially we wanted to short AMD at 108.50. We missed it by 7 cents, and it went down 50 cents. That's the trade we're looking at. That's what we want to do. Mr. Blukarski. Gee, Mr. Blukarski. Trump, you took some profits in Path if you bought the 59 pivot. Well, we didn't have a pivot at 59, and it didn't trade there. So I guess we missed that one. Still like GameStop, guys. If we spike down $2 from here for a trade ski. Do it, GameStop. Do it. Do it till you're satisfied. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. So the market has slowed down significantly already. It's 10.23, which we kind of thought would happen. Path trading on my weekly pivot. Nah, we don't have that. We didn't have it. We don't have it. It's not anywhere on anything that we were looking at. Order box. Yes, yes, yes. What we got is GameStop at the moment, guys and girls. Yeah, I'd put between 50 and 75 cent stop in GameStop. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. How many people we got visiting us in Benzinga today? Three? Four? I hope everybody had a good week last week. ON is just a buy on a trend trade. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So when we're looking at trades, guys, also, we want this to hit as fast as it possibly can down there. Speed. We always want speed. Trades are going to be better when they hit our levels quickly. If something just meanders around, not going to be as good a trade. DOCN. Let's look. That is a wacky chart, David. So I don't see it. I don't see it. Peloton now good for $3, getting flat here. Is anyone else in Peloton besides Loki? Peloton could be a short, guys, at 118.20, up from 115. Kind of like that. Apple bounced off the pivot. Yeah, I mean, for a 40, 50-cent trade, not bad. Do I trade futures? No, I do. We do not trade futures. Just not something that is in my wheelhouse. GameStop, give a couple of minutes, Joe. It's kind of hanging out here. It's all right. I'm smart enough to know what I don't know, guys and girls. Right? What did David Fisher say, guys? Did I miss something? Yeah, I mean, look, give me a level in AMC. 3640 AMC would be a spot. 3640 in AMC would be some nice technical analysis down on our pivot point. So, again, we do not make any trades until our technical analysis tells us to make a trade. Yeah, Hood's getting going a little bit here. You know, maybe it could break out. The IPO price was 38. I don't know if AMD's out of steam. I think it's just resting, Joe. I mean, this is a stock that just everybody wants to own for whatever reason. But we are in day 4 now, and we have the RSI. So, look, I wanted to go to 110 today. Go to 111. Let's just see where what it is at the end of the day. Do I teach day trading if you have a small account, not 25K? Rose, I teach everybody. Okay, the difficulty is that it's hard to do what we do if you have a smaller account. But you can do fractional shares. You can do smaller things. So there is stuff that you can do. All right, I'm going to look at AMD options. But yeah, I mean, my course teaches everybody, no matter what size account you have. There is no premium in AMD options. I mean, we can't get 50 cents on a 116 put. That's horrible. And 105 puts are $1.03. That's expensive. I don't even see any good options to do in AMC, guys. Unless we go out a little bit. Even that, we're not getting any premium in this stuff. I mean, a 115 for next week is $1.30. That might be okay. But then we're going out a week. If I was going to do anything, I'd sell the 115 put for next week for $1.30. Collect $130 or be short at $116. That's what I would do. August 13th, 115 call, I would sell. August 13th, 115 call. You're going out a week, but worst case scenario, you're short at $116. So that's what I would look at. 115, August 13th call. It never got to the, well, actually, it did get to the 108.53 now, right? Big deal. It's down 50 cents. Is there option flow in Interactive Brokers? Yes, Joseph. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Myrna, 357. Let's take a peek. Maybe. I like 359 better. You can do a covered call. I'd sell a naked call, though, in AMD. If you don't mind being short at $117. That's what I would do. Yeah, so here's my options in Interactive Brokers. So I pick my expiration. I pick what I want to do. You know, maybe we offer this 115 at $2. I'll do that for next week. Be short at 117. Maybe it'll keep going up to $2. I like that. AFRM. Yeah, AFRM bounced off the 9. It still looks great, Loki. Yeah, so I'm offering to sell in August 13th, 115 call in AMD at $2. It's trading at $1.40 right now. Qualcomm. Qualcomm looks like a better buy than sell. Looks like a nice trend trade in Qualcomm. So Qualcomm, AMD, NVIDIA is just starting to go, but the chip stocks all look very good. What's AMAT doing? AMAT looks great too. So they're into the chip stocks today. That's the bottom line. Is Tesla basing? Probably. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Tesla is basing. That's a naked call on AMD. So what that means is, guys, okay, you risk. The risk when you do a naked call is if a stock gets to your price, you're short and it can keep going higher. That's your risk when you do a naked call. Again, that's a little more complicated. Yeah, BABA just looks like a buy, guys. I mean, there's nothing here on the short side of BABA either. Buying it into the earnings. Oh, there's a little something on the daily at 202.70 in BABA. Is that stretched enough for us? What do you guys think? 202.70 would be $2.40 away. I like DG86 puts. Dollar General. What are you talking about, Loki? 202.80 could be a little spot in BABA. Everything is moving so slow now, right? It's 10:30. We lost all volume already. Cancel Gamestop. That ain't gonna happen. What stock are you talking about, Loki? I'm not buying AMD calls, Jane. I'm trying to sell an AMD call. Oh, Dollar General. Yeah, if you're not familiar, Jane, with selling puts and calls, please don't try and do this. It's an advanced trading technique. So if you're a beginner, don't do it. Yes, yes, yes. Learn how to day trade first, then we'll worry about options, right? One thing at a time. I mean, we have lost all volume in this market at 10:30. So that's another reason when people ask me, why do my people leave early? Look, the volume's gone. And I can tell you this right now. It's never going to get better than it did this morning. Just not. It's going to slow down for the rest of the day. It's not going to get better. It's going to get slower. Tesla, you got 719.50 with a stop because the trend is 716.50. So you got $3 in between. Okay. So be very careful in Tesla. Correct, Joseph. That is correct. Hit my goal going surfing. There you go, Chris. That's what I like to hear. You and Lou can hook up. Lou's in Hawaii. You can do some surfing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Strike price in AMD offering a $2 call August 13th. 115, $2 call. $115 offering $2 August 13th, 115 call. It's not going to get there. Bought a little Tesla on the 9. Okay, good. See if you get a bounce. Apple dumping, any news? Apple went down 25 cents, so I wouldn't say it's dumping, Sal. Spiders went down 25 cents. So There you go. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. And that was the time to just sell the AMD, guys. 107.45. I'll just cover the little short at 107.50. And then we'll look again. If we get there. He's an easy lover. Moxie trend trade all day. MOXC. Yes, nice one too in Moxie. Yep. So when we look for that dip is we look to buy, here was this trade, right? So it did hit our 9 EMA at about 1880 at 955, which works for us. So there was your trend trade. This is a little too early. That is perfect at 945. Beyond. Oh, sit up, David. Beyond looks like a better buy than sell. Yep, that looks like a trend trade. 100%. Tesla just gave $3 off the 9. There you go. Wow. So again, guys and girls, this is what we teach. Tesla is in a strong uptrend. When a stock is in a strong uptrend, you want to buy it when it pulls back to the trend lines. So it just hit our trend line at 719.62 and gave you a $3 trade. Not crazy? Boom. I mean, I would be out and wait for the next move. What the hell's wrong with $3? Yes, Steve, you sell some. Yes, you should have sold some. It just went up to 723. It went up $4. So once we get in, okay, at 720, let's just say, I'm selling 721, 722, 723, and then trailing a stop order. Once you get in, guys, you got to put a little profits out. Okay? Put a little. Well, I would have been out of the trade for a profit already, Chris, and not have looked back. So I would have been done with that. Any time when you make $3 or $4 on a trade, I'm done. I don't care what the next move is. Yeah, but Adam, if you make $300 in 30 seconds, how's that? It's not about it, okay? It's not about the percentage. So if you bought 1,000 shares and you made $3 in 10 seconds, you made $3,000. That's what I'm talking about. No, I wouldn't short it second time on the 9. No, I might just wait for the trend at 717 now. Oh, it got up to 725, so I want AMD to go to the moon now. Let's go. Moon job. Get me in those 115s for $2. Facebook double bottom. Let's look. We like the 350, 160 in Facebook. Yeah, Adam, some people in my room have that kind of buying power. I have people in my room with $1 million and $2 million in buying power. Good. I don't like them either, STBC. I called GameStop at 100 about 2 months ago. And I think AMC breaks 30. Now, they have their earnings coming out soon, so who knows what's going to happen. Facebook, let's have 350, 160, guys. Again, that could be the start of a far from moving average trade, too. So let's do it small. If it holds, we'll add to it. 350, 160. Good. Pivot point. Out of Tesla, how'd we do? We done good. Excellent. Nice job, guys. Yeah, Steve, we always want to put money in the bank. And if something gives me $2 or $3, I'm happy with that. Either you get another chance or you don't. But who cares? On to the next trade. Okay? That's it. I don't care where a stock goes once I'm done with it. I have pre-market and aftermarket, Joseph. I'm lightening up on my shorts, but I'm like a holder for a few weeks. All right, good. Good. Excellent, guys. Look, I'm a firm believer of putting money in the bank. I don't care what stocks do after I get out of them. That's the bottom line. Does not matter to me. Show me the money. How did GE get to over $100? It did a reverse split, a 1-for-8 reverse split. Yes. See, it tells you right here, 1-for-8 reverse split. Yeah, that's not normally a good thing, guys. And you can see it's gone down $5 from where it opened this morning. I wish I knew about that. When a stock does a 1-for-8 reverse split, it's a short 99% of the time. I like to use 15 and 5-minute both far from VWAP. Listen, Webb, whatever works. Whatever works. What's a far from moving average trade? That's a great question. All will be revealed if you purchase our course. Unfortunately, as far as my private trading room is concerned, I'm not taking any more visitors this week because we are full to the brim. So let's not post the green room link, please. As people drop out, I will have more visitors in. No, I wouldn't short GE now. No. Gamestop. All right. Well, we canceled our GameStop, so let's see what the next move is. 154.01. Remember, guys, always keep your eyes on my order box. If I cancel something, keep your eyes on it. Okay? You got in at 157.50 in GameStop, get out, break even, or whatever, but keep your eyes on my order box. I'm going 154.10 in GameStop. That would be a far from moving average trade. I will do a full trade down there if we get to 154.10. Micron, you know what? You're right. I only have one share of Microsoft that I bought in at 205. It's at T85. I'm going to sell it and forget about it. Well, look, I'm talking about trading. I'm not talking about long-term investing. If that's something you like and you believe in a company, you don't have to ever sell it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I own Apple for 30 years. I sell it from time to time, but I'm not doing anything. Tesla, again, it gave you the opportunity to buy it $6 ago. It is not a buy now. All right, guys, anyone who got in GameStop at 157.50, you should have got out at 157.50. It gave you the opportunity. But I'm not buying Tesla now. A lot of people in my room bought it when it pulled back to the 9. It's making new highs now. Facebook bounce. Yeah, I kind of figured that. All right, can it? We'll leave GameStop for a minute. Dibs. I got dibs. Dibs is a nice, easy uptrend. Would I buy Tesla if it pulls back to the 9 again? I guess I would, but smaller size than the first time you did it. Yes. So Tesla could hit 740 today, our target price. Rich Wells, if Tesla gets to 740, start selling a little, please. Baba. Yeah, Baba around 200 could be good. 9 and 15. Richard, you're going to buy a little small? Okay, I like that. Alf. Everybody just posted Alf. All right, we know Alf. We used to know Alf. Alf is shortable. Wow. At the moment. But, we don't want to short Alf. Better buy if we can get a pullback. Who knows what the hell that move was, though? I know. It just spiked up for no reason. What price will I buy Tesla? Let's look. I will buy Tesla at 718.20. If we can get a nice pullback to the trend line. Here, I'll put it out. Tesla. Not going to happen, but that's a good spot. 718.20. This is very expensive, so we cut size. You got to give it $2, so I'll risk $100 on that trade if it goes in that direction. And that is our 15 EMA trend. Peloton, it's for $4. 17.18. All right, it changed a little. 718.96 Tesla. We'll just call it 719, right? Round it up. Good. Good. GameStop. Ain't getting GameStop. AMD pulling back to the 9. I think it went below the 9 already. Oh, no, not quite. Yeah, 107.80, but I don't want to get long it. I mean, maybe 107.40. I mean, who sold this stock down to 104 this morning? What the hell was that about? Right? Pink dots are pivot points, Rex. So we use pivot points as well as our moving averages to help us make our trading decisions. Both. Not too complicated, our charts, though. Kind of just hanging. We don't have a lot in there. You just have to learn how to read them. That's the bottom line. AFRM. Yeah, look, nobody's in any of these stocks, so you can chill on the posts. Great call, though. Why don't you have 20-minute charts up all at once like everyone else at Benzinga does? I'm not like everybody else at Benzinga, I guess, Joseph. What can I tell you? I can switch to the stocks that I'm looking at very, very quickly. So I'm not like a lot of people, Joe. We kind of go to the beat of our drummer in our room. It is what it is. I can tell you that it's been a pretty good run for us this year. Knock on wood. Levi, let me look. I try to keep things simple, you know. I don't see how you can follow 20 charts at one time, to be quite honest with you. That just confuses me. AMC. Let me look at this AMC. Are we going to break this level now in AMC or what? Are we going to break it or what? Finally. I mean, I'm looking to buy some 30 puts in AMC. I don't like this stock, but the earnings are coming out next week. I don't like AMC and I don't like GameStop. Don't like them. GameStop coming in. All right. I'm still game at 154.10, guys. That'll be a far from moving average trade. I still like that. That'll be $8 away from the moving average. Well, $4 away. I think there's a very good chance we get a bounce if we spike down there. So I like it. How many charts do I view at one time? One. That's it. I go to the stock that we're talking about and I look at it. I got 40 puts. I like that. STBC, you're in the money. It's good. It's good. I mean, 30 puts for this week are 27 cents. That might be something to take a shot on. Why don't I like it? Because the chart doesn't look good. I'm looking at I'll show you. I'll show you the chart. It's getting to a spot on the chart right now where if it breaks these levels, that's good if you're only buying the money. That's how you make the most money. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. You know, we've tested this daily level around 36.50. 1, 2, 3. Now, eventually, it's not going to hold that level, and it's going to bust through eventually. And if we go weekly, the more important number is 35, let's call it. If we break 35, God knows what's going to happen. And the earnings are coming out a week from today. So, I don't know. See what happens. But I like buying the options in the money. Gamestop. Yeah, it bounced, you son of a beeswax. We ain't not getting Tesla either. Oh, wow, it's 10:50 already, guys. Jeez Louise, I only got 10 minutes with you guys. All right, let's talk about a couple of things. Nice trends in Mara, Riot, and Coin. Well, Rich, as my mom used to say, that and 50 cents will get you on a subway. You know how long ago that was. Because the subway's like $10 now. Right? Oh, it does, man. A minute takes forever and 10 years goes by in a blink of an eye, right? Crazy. Yes, inflation is only transitory. Yes. Look at Tesla. You can see 740 today. Jeez Louise. Now I would try to 9 on a pullback in Tesla. All right, so ladies and gents, let's short Hood. Unless there's a technical reason to short it, I ain't shorting it. And I don't see a technical reason to short it. One thing is, AJ and everybody else, we stay away from the meme stocks. No one who's ever been in my room has got caught in any of that nonsense and lost a lot of money, whereas some people who are coming into my room are in them and are losing a lot of money. So we don't get them. I'll trade them. We trade them all day long. I will trade them till the cows come home. But nobody in my room is ever going to get caught in any of this stuff where they're in the bag for a lot of money. Because we're traders. And we certainly don't listen to other people telling us to go buy stocks. And I can tell you this much. In every one of these stocks, more people have lost a lot more money than they've made. That's the bottom line. I guarantee it. It's not even close. Because people think stocks go up forever. What's going on? Is Bitcoin ripping here, guys? Is that what the story is here? Or is everything just ripping now? Yeah, Bitcoin just broke out a little. SQ is a buy still. I don't know if I'd run in and buy it here, but it's been a buy all day. It's never been a short. SQ. Ever. Yep, Q reverse, spiders, dead. Bottom line is there's no volume in this market. I'm a short. I think things fall faster down than up. That they do, STVC. That they do. There's no question about it. It's the escalator up and the elevator down. I can't believe ANVS, guys, is up $7 today. I mean, that is just the poster child for a swing trade. All right, before we have to get out of here, guys, one thing I want to talk to you guys about today, especially my Benzinga peeps, and that is Wall Street Global Trading Academy. I think maybe later in this week I'll be able to invite you guys into the room, depending on how many people come and go. So maybe tomorrow or Wednesday, I will let you guys visit. I'm in the process of kicking out some people in the room who haven't paid. So let me show you our course. And it is on sale for $447. This thing is the best thing I've ever done in my life. Peter is our host. Everybody knows Peter Tuchman. This thing is over 6 hours of video, guys. 6 hours. And it's for people who have never traded before and people who are struggling, want to take it to the next level, everything. We start out with stock market basics, language of the stock market, money management, which is the most important thing we will ever talk about. Thank you, Dave. I hit my target today. Way to go, Dipper. I love it. I love it. I love it. I got it. I'm still studying it. Great stuff. Thank you, Tom. Appreciate it. Yeah, this is the best thing I've ever done. I own your course and wouldn't do without it. Yep. It's just spectacular, guys. It's over 6 hours of stuff. We help you set up your charts. We go over our 5 trading techniques. Every single thing is a video onto its own. Each individual thing is a video to itself. So it goes over it in such great detail. Swing trading, for those of you who cannot sit every day, insane. Rose, if you were in a boot camp, the only way you could have been in my boot camp is if you signed up to be with me for a month, right? Rose, if you signed up to be with me for a month and you're in the boot camp, you should be in the room with us, okay? You get a month in the room with me once you sign up for the boot camp. So if you signed up for that boot camp and paid $500, you're in the room for a month from when you signed up. Options, Bitcoin, and here's the best part, guys, by far. And nobody does this, okay? Every Thursday night, guys and girls, at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you hit this Zoom link and you're going to get me live mentoring you for as long as you own the course, and the course you own forever. That's it. If you miss a Thursday night, we archive every single Thursday night. So all you got to do is click on it, and you'll see each one is over an hour where we go over the entire course. So even if you miss a Thursday night, you click on the archive and you got it. So for $447, you're getting 6 hours of tape, and you're getting me every Thursday night. Every single Thursday night forever. Very simple. Enroll now. And we've made it very affordable, guys. And we have a payment plan. So it's $447. Okay? And we have a payment plan, $149 a month. You're going to learn how to trade from this, guys, and it comes with a money-back guarantee. You don't like it for whatever reason, 30 days, you get your money back. 10% off compliments of Benzinga and U24 Capital. It's usually $500. Oh, that boot camp, Rose. Yes. Yes. We had a good time with that, too. Yeah, that was cool. So that's it, guys. It's $447 or 3 payments. 6 hours of content and me every Thursday night. We put it on sale for all our Benzinga people. That's WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. Last thing I want to talk about, which I always do, DG is the best I have met in this business, Benzinga, guys. I met him on Benzinga myself, and he is phenomenal and very transparent. In this day and age, you don't meet a lot of people like that. Please listen to him. 3 payment plan, Chris. 3 payments of $149. That's it. So if you can afford $149 a month for 3 months, you get me forever. The last thing I always talk about, and one of the things I really believe strongly in, is the people who are hosting this and the people who are bringing me to you every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday live, and that is Benzinga. I could not trade without Benzinga Pro. It is as important to me as my moving averages are, okay? The news service is phenomenal. One news blip, and you can make up whatever the monthly cost is in 30 seconds. The scans we can do with Benzinga are incredible. The guys there are spectacular. They will walk you through how to get this whole thing set up. They are just the best. I don't have a collaboration with anybody else in this business except Benzinga. So let's pop up the Benzinga link, guys. Benzinga Pro. I think you get a 2-week free trial with that. Okay? And you're silly not to at least do the two-week free trial. You cannot. I couldn't trade without it. I really couldn't. So let's get that Benzinga Pro link up there, please, so everybody can at least sign up for the trial. Also, guys and girls, I have a Facebook group that doesn't cost anything to join, Wall Street Global Trading Academy at Facebook. Anybody can join that at any time. We do some cool stuff with that. But, guys, Benzinga Pro is where it's at, okay? Again, you have to at least get the free trial. Yeah, it is amazing. It's as important a tool as anything else that we use technically. It really is. Benzinga.com. Pro.benzinga.com. for the people in my room. NVIDIA's ripping up. Invest time in Benzinga Pro tutorials to get most out of your money. Yes, they teach you how to do everything. Why is AMD kind of hanging? Well, and NVIDIA was lagging for some reason, guys, right? All the other chip stocks were rippy-dippy all day, and NVIDIA was lagging. I don't know why, right? AMAT's been up all day, and all of a sudden now NVIDIA got some leggy poo-poos. I don't know why. So WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com, guys, to buy the course. Benzinga Pro, absolutely, go get that. We will be here with you Tuesday and Wednesday. Let me just figure out as far as the people in my room and see if I have room. Look, as soon as a few spots open up, I will invite you guys in to come hang out, at least for a trial, to be with us for a few days, I promise. So either tomorrow or Wednesday, once I get a handle on how many people are actually in the room, I'll invite you guys in for a visit. The reason I don't have a crap load of people in my private trading room is because we want to keep it up close and personal. I'm not going to have 120 people in my room. Otherwise, our trades would start not working, and we're all family. But there will be an option for you guys at some point, I promise you. Let me just clean up a little bit. I'm just going to flatten out the AMD here, guys. We'll see what the next move is. Let me clean up the room a little bit, and either tomorrow or Wednesday, I will invite you guys in to visit for the rest of the week. Is that fair for everybody? Smash the like button if you like that. So tomorrow or Friday, we'll have everybody come in. Tomorrow or Wednesday, I'll invite you guys in for the rest of the week. Just let me clean up the room a little bit. Yeah, I mean, Peloton's off to the races. Is this because of the pandemic with Peloton, guys? Is that why we're getting so much bounce in these things today? Is ZM doing anything? Yeah, ZM is ripping up a little bit. Guys, grab the course if you can afford to do it. All right. It is the best. And you'll see me on Thursday night. But I will get everybody who's here will get in for a visit at some point this week. All right. That's my promise. So we will do it. No, I didn't buy AMD. I just cleared my shorty out. I'm not doing nothing in AMD. Obviously, we're not getting the options trade. That stinks. So, yeah, everybody will be able to come out and hang in and watch us trade live for at least Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Maybe tomorrow. Let me figure things out. NLS. What is NLS? Is that Nautilus? Yeah, okay. Yeah, you got to buy a lot more Nautilus stuff. Soxel, what are we doing in Soxel? You keep posting it, Sal. What are you doing? Soxel 46, VWAP not in, 46 on 9, 45.73 would be next buy. I mean, I got 45.45. That's probably what I'd wait for. In that. You guys are welcome. It's my pleasure. Look, we really try to help people try and figure out how to do this. I can tell you that if you follow all our rules and do all the trades that's set up for us, you're going to make money. Nothing's guaranteed, but I can tell you that's what we've done for the last 8 months. So I don't see it changing anytime soon. Knock on wood. Green room. How's everybody's day today? I don't want numbers. Just tell me if you're green or red. And if anyone puts up red, you're going to get a smack in the head because there's no reason for anyone to be red today. Those of us in Benzinga that followed us, Adam, how are you red? If I purchased the program today, then you remember Big Daddy for a spot on Thursday. Yes. Yes. Of course. Anyone who purchased the program today, when you get a login and password, you're going to have a Zoom link there for Thursday nights. Okay? So you'll have it. You'll have a Zoom link to get you in Thursday nights. All right. Anyone in Benzinga make any money on our trades today? Anybody? Yeah, Hood still looks good. It's a nice trend trade. Well, I heard from a couple people earlier that hit their nut in Benzinga. Green on. Oh, did you just get a little on down on the trend there, Jamie? That's good. All right. See what happens. I don't mind that. I'm not even day trade. I have to be smooth and wait 24 hours and I'm green. Excellent. I love it. I love it. Look, I have people in my room that are learning how to do this that trade 10 shares every time they make a trade. And I have people in my room that trade thousands of shares every time they make a trade. But yes, I'm going to get you guys the recording. Adam, give me a couple minutes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. No, Loki. No, you can keep posting, but just if it's something you're already in that none of us are in, don't post that. If you have a new trade setting up, please post that. Okay? That's what I'm asking, Loki. Because, I don't think anyone got into the Peloton trade. And if they did, they're certainly out of it by now. But post new ones, Loki. Here's what everybody does in the room. Okay? I'll show you. Exactly. No, I know you did. I know you did. So going forward, we're not in those trades anymore. So just anything new that you see pop up there. Okay. Example, Gamestop. This is what I want to see posted. Like Alex just posted, right? So you post this, GameStop, long, or GameStop, buy, 154.10. That's what I want to see. Stock, buy or sell, price. Okay. No SPAC attack today. I don't know, Mark. I guess not. Baba. All right. So that's how we post. And welcome to the room. 285 Baba trend trade. Yes, that's what we post. Tesla. Okay. So what do we got? 721.11 Tesla. TSLA. All right. I'm going to do 25 shares of Tesla. Very small. 721.11. Pop down. So we post Tesla. Buy. You can see my order. 721.11. And we just got to 721.30. So I'm going to literally give it another second or two. Really? Really? See, when I just missed something, I'm going to cancel it because we didn't get into the trade. When we come close and I miss, especially a stock that's up $30, we'll cancel and we'll look for a lower level. So, I was too late. So the next real spot I like in Tesla is like 716. So here, guys, I'm going to sell half of this trade that we got at 721.11 at 721.90. 721.90. And 721.98. I don't have a dollar stop, but I wanted to cancel it because we came close. But let's see what the next move is. NVAX. What's the market doing? Yeah, we're rallying a little bit. That's it, Loki. That's perfect. That is perfect. Perfect, my friend. Goldman Sachs is giving its junior bankers a pay raise. Good for them. They deserve it.
David, how we doing?
We're doing great. We just got a little Tesla trade that we made 80 cents on. We're looking to take a couple of bucks out of this now. All right, guys, 721.6, 722.60 Tesla. We take our profits. 722.60. One more minute. We're good. It was a good morning.
It looked like it. Exciting. Lots of action.
Ooh, guys, and we're out of Tesla. Okay? So we just got $1.50 out of the Tesla trade. We bought it on the trend, 721.20. We sold it at 772, 722.60. Excellent. All right, all yours, my friend.
Beautiful. All right.
We talked about the course and we talked about Benzinga.
Yep. Thank you very much. We do have a quick programming note today, so no SPACs attack coming up now. We have a replay set up of our 10-minute stock trader. So exciting episode there. Stick around and the video will automatically redirect you there. But David, thank you again, and then we'll see you tomorrow morning.
My pleasure. All right, guys and gals, be careful out there. I'll see everybody bright and early tomorrow morning. Thanks for the opportunity, guys.
Of course.
Peace out. Peace and love.
Peace.
Bye.